guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Facebook page not creating. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now, in this case, the first thing you need to do here is we need to go to facebook.com. Now, typically when you go to groups here at the left panel on Facebook, you have the option to create a new group. Now, in this case, you just need to provide the following details. That includes the group name, the privacy of the group, as well as the invitation for your friends if you want to invite them to your group. In this case, once you provide all those details, you should be able to create your group here by clicking on the create button. In some cases, you might encounter some issues. So in this case, there are a few things that you need to be mindful of. So first is make sure that the name of the page follow the Facebook guidelines. Now, in this case, if, for example, if some form of profanity is actually included on the page name, it might actually cause some issues on it being created, as well as adding like for specific words or phrases on it, like for example, official. Now, in this case, improper capitalization can actually also lead to your group not being created, so make sure it's correctly capitalized. Also, adding symbols or unnecessary symbols into your Facebook group name here can actually cause it to basically malfunction, and your group will not be created as well. So make sure to keep it in mind that basically choose a simple name here that does not contain any profanity and is actually pretty straightforward. Now, another thing you need to keep in mind here is to basically not to create groups here representing a different entity. Like for example, if you want to parade yourself as an entity, make sure to not do that, because Facebook, they do not allow that, and typically they immediately block you from actually creating that account. So for example, make sure to avoid any usage of official words or basically parading another name for a different organization. Now, also, if you're not an official representative and you want to create that group, again, you will be blocked if you want to parade as a celebrity or a group or, again, an entity. Now, in this case, that's about it. So those are the things you need to keep in mind here before you create your Facebook group here. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.